Planet Earth, our home, our protector, and one of the strangest worlds in the universe. A planet filled with mysteries hiding beneath oceans deeper than light, storms stronger than giants, and a core hotter than the surface of the sun. We think we know this world, but the truth is, Earth is far more bizarre, more extreme, and more beautiful than most people ever realize. Tonight, we journey across continents, dive into the abyss, rise above the clouds, and even travel into the heart of the planet itself. We'll uncover secrets hidden for billions of years. We'll reveal the science that reshapes everything you thought you knew. And we'll explore the unbelievable realities that prove Earth is not just another planet. It is a miracle of cosmic engineering. So fasten your seatbelt, take a deep breath, because what you're about to see will change the way you look at our world forever. This is to 10 mind-blowing facts about planet Earth. And it all starts right now. 300 million years ago, Earth had a huge oxygen spike, over 35%, compared to today's 21%. This made insects grow enormous. Dragonflies the size of hawks. Millipedes as long as cars. Earth once looked like a planet straight out of a sci-fi movie, where bugs ruled the world. Everyone says Earth is round, but that's not exactly true. Our home planet is actually squashed. Scientists call this shape an oblate spheroid, meaning Earth is slightly wider at the equator and flatter at the poles. Why? Because Earth spins at over 1,600 kilometers per hour, causing the equator to bulge outward. If you could shrink Earth into the size of a basketball, you wouldn't even see the difference. But that tiny bulge changes everything: ocean currents, gravity strength, and even flight routes. So the next time you imagine Earth as a perfect blue marble, remember, it's not perfect at all. And that imperfection is exactly what makes our planet so fascinating. You feel like you're sitting still right now, but you're not. Earth is spinning at 1,600 kilometers per hour, orbiting the sun at 107,000 kilometers per hour. And the entire solar system is hurtling through the galaxy at 828,000 kilometers per hour. So technically, every second of your life, you're flying through space faster than any rocket ever built. We're all astronauts. We just call our spaceship Earth. Earth's magnetic poles aren't fixed. They drift, sometimes slowly, sometimes surprisingly fast. Right now, the North Magnetic Pole is racing across the Arctic at nearly 40 kilometers per year. This movement affects navigation systems, migratory animals, and even the shape of auroras. One day, the poles may even flip. North becomes south, south becomes north. It's happened before, and it will happen again. Deep beneath your feet, deeper than any human has ever traveled, Earth hides a burning heart. Its inner core is solid iron, the temperature reaching 400 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of the sun. Surrounding it is a sea of swirling molten metal that moves like a cosmic ocean dot, and that motion, it creates Earth's magnetic field, the invisible shield that protects us from deadly solar radiation. Without this fiery inner engine, life on our planet wouldn't exist. So yeah, Earth literally has a molten, glowing, life-saving heart. We've explored more of Mars than our own oceans. Let that sink in. Over 80% of Earth's oceans remain completely unexplored. There are mountains taller than Everest hidden underwater, canyons deeper than the Grand Canyon, and creatures we've never even imagined, glowing, transparent, alien-like. Our ocean is basically an alien world sitting right here on Earth, untouched and unknown. They look fluffy, but clouds are monsters. A single large cumulus cloud can weigh over 500,000 kilograms, heavier than a jumbo jet. So why don't they fall? Because that weight is spread across millions of tiny droplets suspended by rising air currents. The sky is literally holding up an ocean, drop by drop. When you see a rainbow from the ground, it looks like a half arch. But from above, like in a plane, a rainbow is actually a perfect circle. Your eyes can only see half because the ground blocks the rest. Earth hides beauty in plain sight. You just need the right angle to see it. Our atmosphere is the most underrated superhero of all time. This thin blanket of gases, only about 100 kilometers thick, is the reason we're alive. It blocks meteors, keeps the planet warm, filters sunlight, and lets us breathe. Every meteor you see burning across the night sky. That's our atmosphere taking one for the team. And even crazier, if Earth were the size of an apple, the atmosphere would be thinner than the apple's skin. The thing that protects life is almost invisible. Everyone knows Earth has one moon, but that's not the whole story. There are small space rocks called quasi-satellites that orbit the Sun with Earth, creating the illusion of Earth having mini-moons. The most famous is 469,219 Kamo Oelwa, a tiny asteroid that dances around Earth in a cosmic waltz. It's not a real moon, but it acts like one. Earth doesn't just have a moon, it has companions. Our planet, a world filled with mysteries, power, and wonder. From the blazing core beneath our feet to the oceans we've barely begun to understand, Earth continues to surprise us every single day. And the truth is, we've only scratched the surface. There are countless secrets still hidden in the sky, the deep sea, and even within time itself. Each fact we uncover brings us one step closer to understanding the incredible place we call home. So, if today's journey opened your mind, imagine what else is waiting out there. Stranger worlds, deeper mysteries, bigger questions, and answers that will change the way you see everything. Thank you for exploring this planet with me. If you want more mind-blowing discoveries, more unbelievable facts, and more adventures across the universe, make sure to stay curious and join me in the next video. Because the world is full of secrets, and we're just getting started. And if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps this channel explore even more incredible stories about our universe.